Hello, welcome to Lonewolf Outdoors. I got something I was wanting to share with you. I think it's pretty cool. My wife got it for me for Christmas, and I've never really used it, but I'm going to with hunting season coming up, and I'm going to probably use it on the boat while I'm fishing, get a little hungry, but I'm going to show you what it is. By Hike Crew. It's an all-in-one cooking system. Comes in this little case right here. I thought it was pretty cool. I was going to do a boil test for you. I've never had anything like this. I don't know the other ones. These are like $49 on Amazon. A little net. This lid holds it, or this handle holds the lid on. I got some extra lighters. They don't need it though. Whoops. I do have a drinking cup in here. I went to the Appalachian Trail and hiked it. Did Dragon's Tooth. We was going to stay overnight, but heavy storms come through, so we had to leave. So I did pack this to go there, but I didn't use it. You got a little stand here for your little bottle of gas. Right here. That's what it takes. Right there. Also, I bought an adapter for it. You can hook the Coleman propane tanks up to it, just in case you can't find this kind. These, click it like that. Little stand. You probably don't need it. It come with it. And you got your burner. That's what attaches here. There's your cup. This pot capacity is 33.8 ounces. And it weighs, I don't know, weight is 21.1 ounce without fuel. That's pretty light. I mean, there's other cooking systems that it is lighter. So, pop this little top off here. This is screws in right here. Hand tighten it. This fits on top. Just like that right there. It also comes with this. You just put it in here. And you can use bigger pans. Turn them all out like this. Just set it right on this ring. Like that right there. That way you can fry eggs on this if you want to. Use bigger pans. That's pretty cool. It's also got an igniter right here. It's pretty cool. Little knob right here. Turn the gas on and off. Turn on. It puts out the heat. But what we're going to do is do a boil test. I got a bottle of water here, 16 ounces. See how long it takes. This box says time to boil 33 ounces is 3 minutes and 5 seconds. So it should be a lot less than that. I'm gonna time this with my phone. I'm not gonna cut it off. As soon as I hit this, I'm gonna hit the start button. See how long it takes. Full blast. It's already starting to do something here. Put the bubble already. See steam rolling all over. Get a hard boiled in. There it goes. There it is. Minute 56. Good hard boil. Yeah, boils it fast. I'm not saying this is the best. I'm not paid. Like I said, this was a gift, but I'm gonna start using it. And I mean, you can get a lot of uses out of that little tank right there. Like I said, it's handy to have with you. The next test I'm gonna do, I got some Mountain House meals, and I'm gonna try them. I've never had one. When I was in the Army, I ate MREs, so couldn't be much. Should be better than that. So I want to try that in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll leave some instructions or some stuff about it. You can buy these on Amazon for $49. I don't have no link, anything like that. I put a link onto it, but I won't get no money out of it. But I just figured share it with you guys. You can go hunting, you take it fishing with you. You know, it's small. I'm definitely going to be using it a lot here pretty soon. So I hope you like this little video. Appreciate you watching.